Hi guys, welcome back to L&D Home. In today's video, we are going to be showing you guys how to make a durable and beautiful envelope style pillow cover. The best part? You don't have to have any sewing expertise at all because you don't even need a needle and thread for this one. Let's do it. Here's what you're going to need: fabric of your choice, a measuring tape and a ruler, scissors, something to mark with, pins, something to catch that hot glue, finger protectors, and of course your glue sticks and your glue gun. Your first step is going to be to measure your insert, your pillow form. Make sure you get really tight seam to seam. You now want to measure and cut your fabric. I did the cutting part off camera, but I'm going to show you how to measure here. You want the width of your fabric to be the size of your pillow form times 2 plus 5. Don't worry, I'm going to have a screenshot for you. I don't expect you to remember all of this. It's a lot. You want your length to be the exact size of your pillow form. So mine ended up being 35 by 15. I promised you a screenshot. Here it is. Here is the formula that you're going to need. When I'm measuring my length, I like to make several marks at that length all across, and then I like to take a ruler and very lightly connect the dots, and then I just cut it out. This way I get a nice crisp line. My next step is going to be to start making a hem. I'm going to make about a 1-inch hem, but I'm going to do this in 2 different folds. You'll see I have about a 1/2 inch here, and I'm just going to use my hot glue and my finger protectors to make this secure all the way down both of my short sides. This process is very similar to what you would do if you actually had a sewing machine. I like to do this also when I'm using hot glue because I find that it makes my pillow cover extra durable. Since I'm not using a sewing machine and I'm using just hot glue, I think it holds up a lot better, so don't skip this step. Now I'm going to make that other fold. I'm going to do the same thing using my hot glue, making sure I have enough that my fabric is secure, but not so much that it's mushing out all over the place and creating a mess. Again, you're going to want to do this on both of your short sides. I now want to find the center of my fabric. I do this by just folding my piece of fabric in half, and then I'm going to use my pins to mark that center. Once I've marked it, you're going to see I'm going to unfold my fabric and just straighten out my pins a little bit because I need to know the center so I can get my envelope just right. I now want to grab my ruler so that I can get my envelope folds just right. I am going to be placing the start of my ruler right at that pin. There is a formula for this also, and I will have a screenshot for you. But for me, I needed it to be 8 inches from the center point, from that pin. Here comes the screenshot of the formula. It's your insert divided by 2 minus a 1/2 inch. I'm going to make sure that I have that really secure right there, and then I'm just going to move my ruler over. I'm starting at the 8 this time, and then I'm just going to fold until I get it right up to the edge of that ruler. One thing that I like to do now is take out my pins and make sure I pin all the fabric together. That way, when I'm hot gluing, I don't have anything moving around, and I can make sure that all of my edges are really crisp. Now it's time for those finger protectors again because we are going to be hot gluing our pillow cover closed. Again, use enough glue that it's secure, but not so much that it's spitting all out of the sides. You can also use fabric hot glue for this, but I have a pain trying to find it. If you can find it, then you'll be able to dry this pillow cover, but I can just never find fabric hot glue, so I'm just using plain old hot glue for this. You're going to notice that you're going to have a flap here. You need to hot glue that down as well so that everything stays secure and your envelope pillow cover does not come open. We are almost done. Now we just have to turn our pillow cover inside out. Make sure that when you do this, you get in those corners and you gently push those corners out so you have a nice crisp pillow. When I stuff my pillow inside, I like to just kind of take my pillow insert and squish it like a hot dog and gently push it into one side of the envelope pillow cover, and then I can gently pull that other envelope side over at the top. And here is the final reveal. This is perfect for any holiday or season using any fabric you like, and it's super quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure that you check out the video in the playlist on the screen and hit that subscribe button to be part of our YouTube family.